Are you looking for a tower blinds that truly delivers, not just on performance, but on real value, durability, and design excellence? You've come to the right place. You are watching Review the Best Buy, where we bring you in-depth, unbiased, and honest reviews to help you make smarter purchase decisions every time. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best tower blinds you can get right now, carefully tested and compared based on build quality, key features, performance, ease of use, and genuine pros and cons. Whether you're watching from anywhere around the world, our goal is simple: to guide you toward the right choice and help you invest your money wisely. And trust me, you don't want to miss the number one pick. It might just change your mind. All the latest prices and official links are listed below in the description box. Now sit back, relax, and let's dive straight into the review, only here on Review the Best Buy. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. Cage Permanent Hub Blind R30 Hunting Blind Tower Floor Mat Shooting Rail and Blaze Orange Safety. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. The Cage Permanent Hub Blind R30 with tower, floor mat, shooting rail, and blaze orange safety is built to deliver stability, comfort, and long-lasting reliability for hunters who demand the best from their gear. With an impressive 800-pound capacity, the heavy-duty steel tower is reinforced with criss-cross bracing and tested to exceed industry standards, giving you a rock-solid foundation in the field. The 5-point anchoring system keeps the tower firmly in place with oversized steel stakes and an additional earth anchor with tension cable for extra security, even in challenging terrain. An angled ladder with sturdy handrails leads to the oversized entry platform, surrounded by safety rails that make climbing and entering the blind secure and comfortable. The blind itself is attached along the full perimeter of the tower for superior stability, with bolted hubs at each corner and fabric sleeves that lock the structure tightly in place. Designed for easy assembly and dependable use season after season, this system combines safety, strength, and practicality. Follow the video description links to know how the Cage R30 can elevate your hunting experience with confidence and comfort. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. RuskBlinds 6-foot tripod hunting tower blind, 2-person stand elevated platform for deer hunting. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. The RuskBlinds 6-foot tripod hunting tower blind is designed to bring hunters comfort, concealment, and safety in the field while offering a dependable elevated view for a more effective hunt. Built with a sturdy full steel frame and tripod-style base, it supports up to 500 pounds and features a 4-foot by 4-foot platform that comfortably accommodates 2 people along with essential gear. Standing 6 feet to the platform, it lifts you above brush and cornfields, providing a clearer line of sight while helping you remain undetected. The lookout mesh windows allow you to observe the surroundings and line up your shot while keeping movements hidden from deer, elk, or antelope. A D-shaped zippered door makes entering and exiting simple and convenient, while the included instructions ensure straightforward setup. Whether you are preparing for deer season, enjoying time outdoors with a hunting partner, or looking to improve your accuracy from an elevated vantage point, this stand is a reliable companion. Follow the video description links to know how the RuskBlinds Tower Blind can enhance your hunting success with comfort, concealment, and smart design. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Outta Sight Hunting Blind 4 and amp, 5-sided high-density plastic hard-sided ground blind for deer turkey hunting. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. The Outta Sight Hunting Blind is a dependable choice for hunters who want durability, comfort, and concealment in every season. Built in the USA from high-density polyethylene, this hard-sided blind is tough enough to withstand rain, snow, wind, and harsh sunlight, making it a shelter you can rely on year-round. With options for 4 or 5 sides, it offers full 360-degree visibility through tinted acrylic windows that reduce glare and keep your movements hidden, giving you a clear edge whether you are deer or turkey hunting. Measuring up to 6 feet by 6 feet with a height of 7 feet, the interior is spacious enough for up to 3 hunters plus gear, providing plenty of room to move without sacrificing stealth. The design includes a wide door opening for easy entry, quiet hinged windows for smooth operation, and a bottom flange for secure setup on treated plywood or a raised platform. Easy to assemble and transport, it is practical for both quick trips and long-term use. Follow the video description links to know how the out-of-sight hunting blind can improve your comfort, concealment, and success in the field. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number 1 for many users. Number 2. Guide Gear 6-foot tripod hunting tower blind, 2 to 3 man stand elevated hunting gear equipment accessories. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. The Guide Gear 6-foot tripod hunting tower blind is designed to give hunters the perfect balance of visibility, comfort, and concealment for a more successful outdoor experience. Built with sturdy steel construction, it supports up to 500 pounds and offers a spacious 6-foot by 6-foot platform that comfortably accommodates 2 to 3 hunters. Standing at 6 feet to the shooting rail, it provides the elevation needed for a clear field of view, while the innovative one-way mesh windows allow you to observe the surroundings without being detected by deer, elk, or other game. The water-resistant polyester shell and black PU-coated fabric interior help reduce scent, shine, and noise, ensuring your position remains hidden. With an adjustable ladder and a zippered door, entering and exiting the blind is safe and convenient. Whether you are hunting solo or with companions, this elevated stand creates a reliable and discreet vantage point that enhances accuracy and confidence. Watch the full video to see how the Guide Gear tripod hunting tower blind can transform your time in the field into a more effective and enjoyable adventure. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Muddy Ground Blind Platform Durable Powder-Coated Steel Outdoor Hunting Trapdoor Universal Platform. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. The Muddy Ground Blind Platform is built to give hunters the stability, comfort, and concealment they need for a more successful and enjoyable outdoor experience. Constructed from durable powder-coated steel, it is designed to withstand the elements while providing dependable support in any hunting environment. With a spacious platform measuring 65 inches by 65 inches and a weight capacity of 500 pounds, it offers ample room for maneuvering while holding multiple hunters or heavy gear with ease. Clever trapdoor entry allows you to move discreetly, minimizing noise and keeping your presence hidden from alert game animals. Compatible with most ground and bale blinds, this versatile platform is a reliable foundation that elevates your setup for improved visibility and concealment. Sturdy build not only ensures strength but also delivers long-lasting resistance against corrosion, giving you peace of mind season after season. Whether you hunt alone or with company, this platform enhances safety, comfort, and stealth. Watch the full video to see how the Muddy Ground Blind Platform can transform your next hunt into a more stable and rewarding adventure. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best products you can check out right now. I hope this video helps you get a clearer idea of which option truly delivers the best value for your needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more top 5 reviews, detailed comparisons, and practical buying guides every single week. And of course, turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos featuring the latest and most trusted products across tech, home, and lifestyle. All the official links and updated prices are available in the description box below, so make sure to check them out if you're ready to upgrade your next purchase. Thanks a lot for watching. Review the Best Buy, and I'll see you in the next one where we help you buy smart and live better.